I'm Josh with Supply and Demand, and we're going to do easy repairs of a Hisense fridge. You'll need an Allen wrench or hex wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver for this repair. Before we get started, let's go over some important safety information. We're going to start by using a 3mm hex wrench to loosen the set screws. We're showing the top screws here, but make sure you unscrew the bottom screw before the top. To remove these two screws, use a Phillips head screwdriver and loosen counterclockwise. We're using the Supply and Demand refrigerator hinge supports. These are sold individually. With the same tool, we'll screw them back into place. Now I'm going to go ahead and replace the fridge handle with a Supply and Demand refrigerator door handle. Make sure that before you attach the handle, you unscrew the two set screws so that they're not protruding on the inside of the handle. That way we can get the handle in place. Once the handle is in place, we can go ahead and tighten the set screws with the hex wrench. Do not over tighten the screws. Voila!